Just launching Tomodachi, the Hobie Tandem Island at Lake Somerset. We found this boat ramp, which is about halfway along the lake. It's not marked on the map. It's actually in the local caravan park, but it's public access. You just got to be out of here by 6:30 p.m. Otherwise, they'll book you. Just give it a good pull. It'll come. Oh, this is just perfect for lazy sailing. Now that we're out and sailing, I want to talk about that repair. So I did a part 1 video on the repair to the Yammer. It's been a long time for me to do a follow-up video. I just haven't had the boat out. I wanted to get the boat out in some rough conditions to then do a review on the repair, but I haven't really been out in anything really rough. But that's it's holding up really well. So what Kev did is he chopped the entire section out and repaired it, welded it back in, but then the actual where it was welded in busted when I was on a sail. So the repair was, it didn't work. Like I was actually out at sea when it broke, so it wasn't very good. So he's gone and prefabricated an entirely new weld to go in there, and he's triple welded it in, and so far it's been really good. The Yammer's airtight, holds air well, haven't had any problems with it. Like I say, I haven't had it out in like really serious stuff, but for the sailing I've been doing, it's been very happy. It has been put under pressure. I've had like people out on the Yammers while we've been sailing along, and the Yammer's getting buried by wind, and there's no sign of it busting or anything like that. Absolutely no signs. Touch wood, I think we have a successful repair. It's a pretty good speed for such a light wind forecast. Yeah, she's moving. Scenery's bloody gorgeous. I think someone's going to have a snooze. Aki's favourite spot on the boat. Sleeping on the trampoline. I'll be on this tack for a while before I have to kick her off and put her over the other side. But we're hungry. There's a little bay over here. We're going to go in there, furl the sail, have a feed. Lots of life around here, fish jumping, lots of birds flying around. There's pelicans, there's some birds of prey following us around as well. It's lovely. There's no one here, it's dead quiet. The scenery's beautiful. It's warm. Even though it's overcast like this, it's not cold at all. The water's warmer than the air. There you go, the pelicans, the big chickens. Just make sure, just trying to get right out of the breeze so we don't have to drop the anchor. Beautiful. Oh, this is lovely. Do you want to share one each? Oh. Yeah? Ta. Look at these beautiful lily pads. Aki's in charge, sailing the boat. This is the end of the lake here, but it goes down that way somewhere, and over this side somewhere is Camp Somerset, which Aki wants to go have a look at. So I'll need the map for that one. Got some big signs there where they keep out signs. We'll go have a look. It's a big keep out sign. Private property, clients only, fines apply. Threats, they're making threats now. We might go up the valley a bit and see what's around, just have a bit of a sticky beak, and then we'll do a downwind run down to the island, go explore the island, and then back to the trailer. There's a boat ramp there. Looks like they've got no clients. I don't see anyone here. It looks deserted. The trouble with this lake, there's no free camping on it. And there's a few camps around the place, but you start looking at the prices and you go, I don't think so. It's beautiful with all the lily pads. something underwater in front of us. There's a lot of fish you see going to ground. Right, let's drive up.
Up.
No, up. We didn't get tangled, that's good. Spotted Camp Somerset's clients. What are they, Aki?
Duckies.
Ducks. A lot of ducks. Yeah, good clients. Clients only. Well, duckies, I hope you paid your fees. God, I hate warning signs. Might go and suss this island out. Have a little look at it. See if we can find a spot that's worth looking at. Looks pretty overgrown. Yeah, it's totally overgrown, isn't it? Ah, well. What about in here? Yeah, same deal. Yeah, don't worry about it. Not going to happen. Looks like you probably could walk around in there amongst the trees, but it's pretty dense. So if you like this kind of positive adventure content, don't be a slug. Hit the like button, subscribe, comment. These things keep me motivated to make these videos, and check out a few of these other adventures.